Yeah, hello? Is that tell me? Hey, peep the AirPod case though. Drip. Got it on eBay. Coronavirus! Bro, your handbrake is up! It actually is. Now it's not. But bro, your handbrake is still up! I make myself laugh. I don't know how I feel about it. It looks like a catfish with Down syndrome. So what's happening, guys? What's happening? Finally, man, the clutch is in. So we are gonna be dropping the car off to get this clutch installed. That shit's hilarious, bro. People in the comments are like, oh, you keep using your clutch as an excuse every time you lose a race. Nobody was ever using it as an excuse. I just said the shit doesn't work properly, which it doesn't. I do a pull, the fucking clutch pedal goes stiff. Like, it ain't my fault. Oh, you should just stop complaining about the clutch and get it fixed already. Bitch, I was waiting for it. God damn. Obviously, there's way more positivity on my page than negative shit, but I just like pointing the negative shit out because it's funny. You know, because people are always like, oh, bro, all you pay attention to is negativity. Like, no, I don't. I'm not a negative person. I just think it's funny when people say dumb shit. Damn, they put up that Porsche dealership quick. ASAP Rocky. This AC and this tank top right now is hitting. Another thing I be noticing, people be like, bro, you need to get some kind of cam mount. You need to stop driving with one hand. That's super unsafe. Who the hell drives with two hands when they're driving normal? If any of you guys drive like this normally, if you drive like that normally, you're a freaking goofball. And I'm holding my camera with the head mount. I just don't need to put it on my head because I'm not doing anything to where I need both of my hands. I don't drive with both of my hands ever unless I'm going ridiculously fast. Like, I'm still just geeked off that. Like, people think you need both hands to drive 70 miles an hour. Like, who does that? Like, who does that? Like, the only time you see people driving with two hands like that is a person that's like 98 years old. And then, like, bro, if I drive like that, I'm gonna lose all the blood pressure in my arms, dog. Here it is. Bow. Good old monster twin disc clutch. I said I heard good things about it, so whatever. Should work. Pretty sure it'll be better than stock. Some little bolts here. Alignment tool. Little sticker. Then we have, I believe this is my catch can. Yep. Catch can. And my bleeder line. We have the tick adjustable master. So we should have no clutch problems. This is just the lines and stuff for the catch can. So yeah, that's that. And here, got Eric's crazy ZR1. Sheesh. Damn, dog. Are those glazed donuts? Peep the open tomes. Man, there's so much room in here. You could put like two JZs. Damn, is that a Kong performance, dog? I still don't know how your ass fits in there. That shit's made for like a person half of my size. And I'm like a goddamn Applejack stick.
This shit looks comfy. Fucking sleeping bag.
A sleeping bag? Installing the clout map over here. My boy Turk finally got his shit up and running. This shit's gonna be fast. 1,000 plus or bust. Yeah, he blew a straight hole in his last block. Look at the Vette, looking like a snack. Clean. Whoa, champ. You're gonna have to get rid of these. Extreme contact. Not with that blower. I'm gonna need you one of these right here. Oh, big flat boys? Damn. That's how you know it hasn't gapped anybody in a while.
You know he hasn't driven that. How long has it been? Like 2 years?
Yeah, the last time I seen this, the last time I seen it in action was when I had the big red. But I mean, you can never lose if you know what I'm saying. If it never runs, no L's.
R7 taking all comers.
Damn, bro. 800 shot of nitrous. Seats are sick though. I ain't gonna cap.
Someday.
What's up, bro? Straight trade for the Z06 right now.
What?
Straight trade for the Z06. Fuck it.
Done.
It runs, you know? You can make it anywhere right now, guaranteed, 100%. All the way to Havasu, no problem. AC, blasting cold. Seat's very comfortable, OEM.
There you go.
All right, my Uber's here, so we will be back when the vet got a clutch. What's happening, guys? That was a quick week. Must be nice to be on YouTube and get shit done like that. And I actually didn't have my camera when I picked it up, but we here. At this point, the vet should be, the clutch pedal feel, I would say it's maybe 10% stiffer than stock, so it feels almost stock. The engagement is like a tiny bit higher, but overall feels super good. I'll probably just put some more miles on this and I'll just hop back in this video when the clutch is ready to be pounded on. Oh yup, it's the good stuff right there. So we got the Motorsport 60s on today. I never show these live. Good old corn fill up. Gotta love that. Dun 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 dun. Alright guys, it's time. Will my clutch be retarded or nah? See, I'm about that life, man. I'm about to edit video while I'm driving right now. I'm just kidding. I'm just using this to charge my GoPro because the charger that I have in here sucks ass. Ready to hear them bald eagles? I need some elote. We dry, bruh. Fuck, I hope I make it. I know, damn. I put about 250 miles on the clutch. As I know most people say 500 miles, but honestly on my Z, I never broken none of those clutches. Like literally put it in, straight to the dyno, do pulls, straight to the street, do pulls, never had a problem. So in my honest opinion, I feel like the braking shit is just, it's a myth. I don't really believe it. I mean, if you think about it, if you look at a clutch and you look at rotors on your car, it's almost the same shit. Like, you technically don't have to brake in your rotors, you know what I'm saying? You put them on the car and you stop. So, for the most part, I would just say drive the car normal for a few hundred miles, just make sure everything's working fine, it's not slipping, doing anything stupid, then just full send it. But yeah, a whole 500 mile braking, like, I don't know about all that. That's doing too much. So, I actually have not did any hard pulls in the car yet. I've obviously went to the gears, I've shifted, but I haven't actually like did a full hard pull and like banged the gears, so I have no idea how it feels. So the issues that I was having before, but most likely it was probably just a liner master issue. After first gear would go in, second gear would go in, but by the time I tried to go to third, the pedal would be extremely stiff. So it seemed like the fluid was just getting too hot because of that, because of the stock line or something. It should be solid, man. Like, I should have no shifting problems. Well, looks like I'm gonna test the clutch out a little early. Ran into some bikes. Oh, they turned. Oh. Damn, what a blue ball. Nice. I don't even want to start this shit. Fact. Alright guys, I think she's ready for her first rip. Let's see how it goes. Ah shit, got to do it after this light. Luckily the cop was occupied. He had a suspect already. Oh, I see a Z. Is that a Trey 50? Where's your Tomei, sir? Clutch feels crazy. Oh yeah, it's not getting stiff. We in there. That shit grabbed harder than the baby and a lollipop. Man. That felt great.
Your clutch isn't really messed up. It's just an excuse. Shut the fuck up.
We gonna see who's gonna be the first victim. Can't beat them all, but definitely ain't gonna lose to them all, that's for damn sure. We don't do that around here. No more sticky clutch. Hell yeah. Man, nothing like rolling through the gears, bro. The clutch is 100% back. So we're gonna get some runs in soon. I'm gonna hit a few of my boys and catch some runs. As you guys can see, that shit grabbing like a mother sucker. But yeah, stay tuned. Definitely gonna have some races coming soon with the Vette. It's gonna be sick. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. I'm gonna catch you in the next video.